it's Emma from Enchanted Soul. Welcome to your grounding guided meditation. Today you focus on connecting to Mother Earth below. Begin your meditation today by finding a comfortable position in a place where you can fully enjoy your time. First, become aware of your breath, and when you do so, you might take a nice deep breath in. Breathing in as much as you can, and when you exhale, feel your body relax. If you haven't already, allow your eyes to gently close. Become aware of the bottoms of your feet, as well as the tips of your toes. Your feet have been taking you so many places over the years, and they deserve to fully relax and let go. Allow relaxation to amplify in your feet by simply placing your awareness on them. Breathe in deeply, feeling comfortable and relaxed. All of your attention on the soles of your feet. Imagine that this is what connects you to Mother Earth. Each step you take has made a difference in your life and moved you through hard times as well as achievements. Breathe in deeply and send your feet love and respect for everywhere they have taken you. Now imagine the earth below you supporting your every move. The ground is your place of connection, and no matter how high up you go or how long your feet are elevated, you always become grounded once again. Become aware of the ground below you, wherever it may be, and know that it is a source of pure connection to all there is. Imagine now that from the bottoms of your feet, the roots of your soul are growing and extending down towards the earth. They make contact with the soil below, wherever it may be, and you feel the instant connection and security filled with unconditional love. So relaxed as you feel this amazing connection with the earth. Feel these roots strong and unbreakable. They are now going into the earth and taking root, allowing you to feel ultimate relaxation. See these roots however they appear for you. They could be your favorite color or look like roots from a plant. Feeling them grounding you. The soles of your feet are strong and resilient. You have found the link between you and the earth. This is a bond that can never be broken. You came from the earth, and we are always connected to it. Feel the union between you and the soil. teach you anything you need to know, and listen with an open heart and mind. Familiarize yourself with the messages you hear. Allow the earth to introduce you to the power of true connection. You have made a strong alliance with the earth, grounding you in soul and body. Now breathe in deeply again. Imagine that you are drawing this powerful experience of connection up your legs. Feeling this bond, relax your body as it releases any tension along the way. Breathe in again, feeling the union of earth and body traveling up into your hips and pelvis, deeply relaxing you. Breathing fully and passionately, feel the partnership between humans and earth traveling up into your tummy and ribs. Noticing how being grounded is such a blessing. Feel the connection travel into your chest and lungs, gracing your heart with love. The earth loves unconditionally. She forever gives and only hopes for care and respect in return. The deep bond of love is traveling up your neck, deleting any tension here. This relaxing sensation goes into your entire head, training all of your muscles and bones to become fully relaxed. The alliance between you and the earth travels all the way to the very top of your head. Notice how you feel right now. You are fully grounded. A perfect combination between earth and flesh. There is a deep relationship between you and the earth, one that cannot be broken and must always be nurtured. You and the earth have formed a relationship, one that makes you feel completely loved and cared for. Now hear yourself saying these positive words, reflecting true connection to the ground below. Togetherness, partnership, linked, bonded, unified, alliance, connected, feel the connection to others around the world, begin to slowly draw your awareness to the present moment, returning your thoughts to your current surroundings. Breathe in deeply again, feeling forever connected to the earth and all of her wisdom. Whenever you're ready, open your eyes and give thanks for the earth and your connection. Take this peace with you throughout your day and night. Thank you for joining me, and I hope to see you again soon. Namaste.